Hi there. Who wants some crispy, delicious veggie spring rolls? I know I do. Let's make some. So, into a pan, tossed in some avocado oil. Any high heat oil is good. Canola, avocado, even coconut oil would work. Tossed in half a head of cabbage here. It's been shredded up, and some carrots. You could shred up the carrots or just julienne them like I did here. Some onions and some chilies for spice. You can leave that out if that's how you sway. And that's it. Let this all cook down with some salt and black pepper. It takes about 5, maybe 8 minutes for it all to kind of mellow out, and the flavors together are just so delicious. Like literally you don't need anything else. Once it's reduced down like this, we are going to start rolling. And spring rolls are awesome to make in big batches like this because honestly it does take a bit of time, but once you've got them all ready to go, you just pop them in the freezer, and then every time you need spring rolls you just throw them into the fryer and you're good to go. Super simple, super delicious, and perfect for Ramadan, which is what I am in the middle of right now, and I am starving looking at this and recording this video. Oh well. So here we go. So make sure you keep your spring roll sheets moist, or at least under a wet towel, so that they don't dry up as you're rolling, because if you are doing a lot like I am, it's good to make sure your sheets don't dry out. Just spread a little bit of filling in the center. I always like to add some rice noodles as well, so these have just been soaked in some hot water for about 20 minutes and then cooled off. I chop them up a little bit so that they're easier to handle, and throw them into my spring roll and roll and go. If you find that your wrappers are breaking or they're kind of falling apart on you, feel free to do a double roll. So you can use 2 sheets, roll one and then roll it again so that it doesn't break when you're frying. That's kind of the key, because if it breaks during the frying, that's just going to create a big mess in your pan, and nobody wants that. You're good. And then the other thing is to use a little bit of water to help seal the spring roll so it doesn't fall apart on you. So that's what I'm doing here. So just wet the edges a little bit before you roll, and especially that last little bit at the end, so it doesn't fall apart. That's it. So easy. And like I said, after they've been frozen, you can just pop them into the fryer and cook them up straight from frozen. Takes about 5 minutes, I'd say, maybe a few minutes on one side, and then give them a flip, a few minutes on the other side, and that is the most delicious crispy snack ever. Great with your Asian meals, or just when you feel like a little something. What's your favorite fried snack? Let me know in the comments below. And let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Always looking for inspiration, so chat soon. Don't forget, check out the full recipe at roostory.com. Come say hi at IG. I'm at roostory. Talk to you later. Bye.